Want updated rosters in FC26? I'll show you how to update squads fast. From the main menu, go to Customize, then open the Squads section. Open Squad Hub, then select Download Updates to see community and official files. Confirm you're online and signed in so the game can fetch updates. Preview each update, tap View Changes to compare player rosters and stats. When ready, press Download to retrieve the latest squad files to your console. After downloading, choose Apply Updates to install the new rosters into the game. Pick Replace to overwrite existing squads or Merge to combine changes selectively. If conflicts appear, use the on-screen comparison and pick which player version to keep. Save the updated squad and create a backup slot so you can revert anytime. Load a quick match or training session to verify lineups, positions, and chemistry. All done. Your squads are updated. Subscribe for more FC26 tips and tricks.